Hello! We're back with another product. This here is for our gamers. We have a charging station. It's a 2-bay charger that include 3 2600mAh batteries, which is going to allow some awesome power. Here we have our wire for our charger. The batteries themselves seem like they're very good quality. The wraps on them are wonderful. You know, there's no rips on them because you should never use a battery that has any tears in them. And there is 2 others that were all in great shape. The charging station itself, it's nice and light, but very durable. I like that the lid is there to kind of protect the insides so you don't get that dust buildup. We can go ahead and plug our charging station in to the Xbox and you'll see the green lights turn on, letting you know that there's power. We know that we have a full charge once we have all 4 lights solid green. Then we can go ahead and unplug our charging station, take our battery out, match up the negative and positives, and insert it into our controller. I went ahead and did some gaming with these batteries, and they definitely seem to have an extremely long life on them. Overall, I would say it's affordable and it includes 3 batteries. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. If you have some intense gaming nights, you definitely have to get your hands on these batteries. Check out what we have next time.